Which vehicle is used for motocross racing? Which vehicle pushes airplanes at airports? Which vehicle carries crude oil across oceans? Which vehicle cleans city streets? Which vehicle is used for space missions with astronauts? Which vehicle carries containers at shipping ports? Which vehicle transports farm animals? Which vehicle is designed for sand dunes? Which vehicle is used in Formula racing? Which vehicle carries logs from forests? Which vehicle is used for warehouse lifting? Which vehicle is used for underwater research? Which vehicle mixes concrete at construction sites? Which vehicle is used by police officers? Which vehicle carries tourists underwater? Which vehicle has giant wheels for stunt shows? Which vehicle transports horses? Which vehicle explores the surface of Mars? Which vehicle is used for food delivery? Which vehicle is popular for camping road trips? Which vehicle moves luggage at airports? Which vehicle rescues people in snowy areas? Which vehicle lifts cars in repair shops? Which vehicle carries passengers for luxury seat travel? Which vehicle is used for desert rally racing? Which vehicle repairs airport runways? Which vehicle carries mail packages? Which vehicle loads logs in forests? Which vehicle is used for underwater exploration? Which vehicle drives in rally competitions? Which vehicle cleans garbage in cities? Which vehicle is small and ideal for city driving? Which vehicle sprays crops on farms? Which vehicle carries workers to job sites? Which vehicle moves heavy cargo in warehouses?